Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to make your Google slide looks better or looks good and professional. So the first thing you have to do, open your Google slide and open your documents, and here are the documents that I would like to show to you. And then let's just edit these documents. To make these documents look good, you just need to go click these three small dots on the top corner right here, and after that you just need to go click change theme. And now you just need to find out the best theme that you want to have. So if you want to look professional, you can do this instead. And here we go, you already have the templates for the theme on your Google slide. And if you want to add more slide, just go click this part and it will be automatically give you the format for the next slides. So that is the way how to make your Google slide looks good and professional. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.